Two former Cooper County Sheriff's Office employees have been charged with manslaughter in the October death of an inmate. The Jackson County Prosecutor's Office filed involuntary manslaughter charges against former Lieutenant Robin Pfeiffer and former Deputy Rachel Atherton in connection to Brooke Bailey's death in the Cooper County Jail. Court documents say Bailey died of diabetic ketoacidosis. The former sheriff's office employees reportedly shrugged off her illness, saying she was faking it, and instructed others not to send her to the hospital.
There's no sentence long enough to, make our hearts fully happy. I mean, what would make us happy was for her to be here still, and we can't get that back.
It could have been prevented real easy.
The Cooper County Sheriff posted on Facebook this afternoon that his office will not be making any further comments on these charges. Now, digging further into this situation, there could be two different cases against the jailers: a criminal case for first-degree involuntary manslaughter and a potential civil case.
ABC 17's Mitchell Kaminsky joins us live from the Cooper County Jail. Mitchell, you spoke with an attorney who specializes in personal injury and wrongful death.
Megan, Lucas, in order for the prosecution to succeed, they would have to prove that jailers acted in a reckless manner and that recklessness is what caused Miss Bailey's death. The family also has a right to file a civil suit. A civil lawyer would have to prove deliberate indifference, and to do so, they would have to show that jailers' conduct caused Miss Bailey to suffer unnecessary pain. Brooke Bailey was in the Cooper County Jail on a Department of Mental Health hold, meaning that she was being held until a bed came open in the Department of Mental Health. Earlier today, I spoke with Matt Urich, who's been practicing law for 23 years. Urich says the Department of Mental Health hold was likely because there had been some sort of determination that Bailey was not competent to proceed in the criminal case that was pending in Cooper County.
First of all, she was there because she's not competent. She was not competent. She was suffering from some pretty profound mental health issues. And then secondly, she was a diabetic.
Urich says Bailey's family could also file a wrongful death lawsuit that Cooper County Sheriff's Office violated her civil rights. Specifically, her Eighth Amendment right to be free from cruel and unusual punishment when she is in custody of the state. Court docs allege Bailey went into a diabetic coma. The lieutenant, Robin Pfeiffer, and Deputy Rachel Atherton were aware Bailey was a diabetic, and she made numerous requests to be seen by a doctor, and jailers refused to provide her care.
There's statements in here indicating that she did not move for extended periods of time from her cot, that she was laying in her own vomit, and that other inmates were notifying the jailers, letting them know that she needed medical care.
Urich says that a significant number of people who are held in prisons and jails are going through some sort of mental health issues. Another common issue that pops up are people dealing with substance abuse issues. In this case, jailers initially thought Bailey was going through some sort of withdrawal, but she was never drug tested, so they could not prove it definitively. Reporting live in Cooper County, Mitchell Kaminsky, ABC 17 News.
Mitchell, thank you.